The Sacco Societies Amendment Bill 2021 is inching closer to becoming law after it sailed to the third reading in the National Assembly. The bill, among other things, emphasizes on the use of ICT in Sacco operations to minimize cases of fraud and aid surveillance by the regulator.
The government has been increasing surveillance on the cooperative movement after a number of Saccos collapsed with member savings. The government-sponsored Sacco Society Amendment Bill 2021 is a step closer to being law after members of the National Assembly voted to sail it to the third reading stage.
Sacco Societies Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 55 of 2021, be now read a third time. Will as many as without opinion say aye? Aye. As many as contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
The bill, which seeks to amend the Sacco Society Act of 2008, among other provisions, seeks to provide for usage of ICT by Saccos in filing their returns, seeking operational licenses, and any other documents required by the regulator.
Honourable Speaker, I beg to move that the Sacco Societies Amendment Bill, being National Assembly Bill number 55 of 2021, be now read a third time. And Honourable Speaker, I do hope that this completes now our bid as a National Assembly, and we can now take it to the Senate.
The bill also gives the Sacco Society Regulatory Authority powers to frequently inspect Saccos and institute legal action on Saccos and officials who contravene Saccos law. The bill also gives the Sacco Society Regulatory Authority powers to frequently inspect Sacco and institute legal action on Saccos and officials who contravene Sacco laws. The bill also seeks to empower the Sacco Society Regulatory Authority to raise over 130 million shillings from non-deposit taking Saccos to support its oversight operations. During the public participation forums, Sacco officials urged Parliament to introduce a clause in the bill that will see officials take personal responsibility for failing to remit members' contributions on time. Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.